Hey friends, welcome back to Learn Transformation. As 2021 is about to come, let's equip yourself with the best digital marketing skills so that you may reach your customers at the right time and adapt to an evolving market for business growth. So in this video, I'll disclose 10 best digital marketing skills for 2021. Let's get going. There are two kinds of digital marketing skills one should look at. One is soft skills, which are identified with aptitude and attitude of an individual. And the second one is technical skills, which are identified with specific parts of computerized promoting. For example, SEO. Let's discuss 10 essential digital marketing skills to keep you relevant in the ever-changing digital industry. The first one is focus on digital marketing analytics. Learn Transformation focuses on digital marketing analytics, which is different from web analytics, and it focuses on website performance and reveal the performance for all your digital marketing channels and activities. Some of digital marketing analytics related abilities which you will have to have someplace in your team are fluency with emerging analytics, business acumen, data wrangling, storytelling with data, proficiency with unstructured data. Second skill is focus more on sharing live video on social media. Live video usage will be on the rise this year as viewership will continue to increase. A well-presented video is consistently attractive, contrasted with written content or pictures. Thus, regardless of whether you are marketing on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or any other social platform, share an ever-increasing number of live recordings of your brands. Live video on cell phones will be one of the productive digital marketing trends. Next up is content planning. As a content maker, this is a significant bit of context that some of the time it may require an extra effort. It's easy to relax into being told like here is your subject, fill up a bucket with words and send it off. But that is ground level reasoning. You will compose a better substance since you completely comprehend the need you are attempting to meet. Next up is strength in digital project management. Digital project management is a big bucket which covers a broad range of skills and capabilities. And here is a couple of must-have digital project management skills like understanding of programming improvement strategies, waterfall, Scrum, Agile, etc. and familiarity with content management system. Next up is strong paid media capabilities. Effective digital marketing is profoundly focused on quantifiable missions which contact the perfect individual at the perfect time. In the advanced period, this could apply to numerous things like a mobile ad, an outdoor digital display, or branded editorial content. While paid media has been around for a long time, a variety of digital devices are making almost limitless paid media alternatives. And that is extending the abilities digital marketers need. Number 6 is an understanding of artificial intelligence for digital. Consumer AI tools will require digital marketers to think and work differently. For instance, as AI bots will perform more internet lookup tasks for shoppers like finding and booking hotel rooms with correct luxuries, so digital marketers will need to figure out now how to apply AI algorithms. The skills which will be required are not clear, but chances are it will require a comparative inclination as that utilized in a search engine. Number 7 is social media marketing strength. Social media marketing is an evolving practice and strategists will need to know what platforms are performing best and why. They likewise require the quantitative abilities to survey and figure out stage analytics and information like the promoting sense to interpret those discoveries for creatives to dream up new content. Social media marketing drives targeted web traffic and boosts you better engage and understand your audience. Next digital marketing skill is understand design-based thinking and planning. Design thinking is a term which basically refers to a way of approaching problems from a user-centered perspective. The methodology basically urges us to think in a human-focused manner when taking care of huge scope complex issues. Next up is conversion rate optimization. Marketers are being held accountable for revenue more than ever before. Getting traffic and visitors to your site is extraordinary. However, it won't enable your deals to group hit their income target if your site isn't enhanced to transform visitors into paying clients. Last digital marketing skill is audience building. Audience building is a craft of drawing in your ideal buyers to your brand and keeping up their consideration utilizing content and digital communication channels, for example, email and social media. You must be able to do three things extremely well to build an audience. The first is understand your buyers. Second, create content that appeals to them. And third, continuously engage them. Perform a survey online to find the critical marketing components to tackle the issues like getting more traffic to the site and increasing site conversions. So, the conclusion is marketing excellence is essential for achievement in any business. To expand brand awareness, raise reliability, and improve client engagement, a business person should survey online a portion of promoting fundamentals. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching right till the end, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please tell us in the comment section below what strategies you're gonna follow in 2021. And please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding lean, digital, Six Sigma, supply chain. And you can also catch us on other social media handles like Twitter, LinkedIn and many more. Happy learning!